Today, as we all know, is our World Environment Day, and its significance, its importance in today's world, as we all know, is of the utmost urgency. All over the world today, we see a lot of change in our climatic patterns. There's climate change. There's food shortage. When we talk about our natural vegetation, there's a loss of forest cover. So there are a lot of problems that are happening because we have not been able to preserve our environment. There's the use of plastic and a lot of things that do not go favorably with nature. And there's a need to do recycling, reusing of certain articles like plastics, glass, etc. Also, there is a need to reduce carbon emissions because this is all leading to a warming up of the globe. Or on the other hand, in certain places we see there's a drastic change in the patterns in weather. This time you've seen there have been a lot of floods, lot of rain before the correct onset of the monsoon. Why has this happened? This has happened because there is a creation of low pressure areas all over the world, and there has been a reversal in the current, the ocean current. And this has happened also because we have been chopping down trees without thinking of our future. So when we do that, we create a microclimatic zone. A microclimatic zone means there's a place where there is another kind of climate. It attracts more humidity, more heat. As you have seen in Tripura, the temperatures have been rising a lot in the last 10 years. When we were children, when you all were there also, I'm sure 3-4 years ago, it used to never get so hot. Now the temperatures are going up to 40 degrees. Why is this happening? Okay, we need development. We need to widen our roads. We need to do a lot of construction. Population is increasing. But are we striking the right balance? No, we are not. We are just cutting and we are not planting. So today, on World Environment Day, with the help of ADC and Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage Tripura, of which I am the convener, and our members also from the women and all of us here have gathered here today to remember the significance of this day and the importance it has in our future for our children, not only us humans but for all wildlife, flora, fauna, everybody. We have to coexist together. You see abroad also, we've been seeing movies and films and documentaries being made about the end of the world. What is the end of the world? The end of the world is just this, that we humans have been interfering so much in the environment and not giving it back its due. We are not respecting nature. Because of that, wildfires are devastating even America. It never happened before. In Europe, the climate has also changed a lot. Like I said, in Tripura itself, we are seeing the devastation that is being caused. So this is our small effort and our message to everybody. Tripura was known for forest. You know how much of loss there has been? 20% decline of forest has been there in the last decade, in 10 years. So 20% reduction in forest means a lot. Along with it, there has been a loss in biodiversity because one tree, it may look like one tree, but it supports a lot of other things. You have animals that look at it for shelter, you have orchids, you have other terrestrial growth, a lot of things, even insects, they all depend on that. So when we disturb the ecosystem, when we disturb biodiversity, the effect will come on us humans directly. तो हमारा यही इच्छा है बोलने के लिए सबको कि आज इस वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे पे हम लोग सबको कॉन्शियस होना चाहिए कि हम लोग इतना डिस्ट्रॉय कर रहे हैं नेचर को, इसका ज़रूर रिजल्ट्स हमको दिखाई दे रहा है आजकल. तो जब तक हम भी कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं करेंगे नेचर को प्रिजर्व करने के लिए, बायोडाइवर्सिटी को लाने के लिए, पेड़ नहीं लगाएंगे, सिर्फ डेवलपमेंट पेड़ काटने से नहीं होता है, बिल्डिंग बनाने से नहीं होता है, रोड्स बनाने से नहीं होता है. कल के दिन हमको फ्यूचर के लिए सोचना है हम लोग खाएंगे क्या. तो नेचर हमको खाने को देता है और ख़ास करके नॉर्थ ईस्ट में हमारे लिए जो फॉरेस्ट में कितने प्रकार के खाने की चीज़ है. हम लोग जो जंगल कहते हैं वो जंगल नहीं है, खाने की चीज़ भी है उसमें. और जब तक पेड़ पौधे नहीं होंगे, लैंडस्लाइड हो जाएंगे तो फिर हमको कहाँ से मिलेगा. जो हमारा जो पहले ज़माने में लोग को कभी भी त्रिपुरा में जितने बार भी फैमिन्स हुए हैं, त्रिपुरा में फैमिन्स नहीं होते थे हमारे इंडिजिनस कम्युनिटी के अंदर में। क्यों? हम लोग को हमेशा पता था कि कहाँ पे क्या खाने को मिल रहा है। हमारे जो ये भूमि है इसमें इतना रिचनेस है, हर चीज़ को हम लोग खा सकते हैं, बैम्बू से लेके पत्तों से लेकर हर चीज़ को। पर आजकल क्या हो रहा है, डेवलपमेंट हम लोग सोचते हैं घर बनाने से होता है, रोड बनाने से होता है, वो नहीं है। पर ये सब भी तो हम लोग को नहीं मिल रहा है। अभी हम लोग ठीक है रबर प्लांटेशन करते हैं, बाकी प्लांटेशन कर रहे हैं, पर क्या रबर हम लोग खा सकते हैं? नहीं। तो मल्टी क्रॉपिंग भी होना चाहिए, कुछ हम लोग को इंडिजिनस क्रॉप्स को भी बचाना चाहिए, तो फॉरेस्ट को बचाने से हमारा उन्नति भी होगा। तो ये बस बोल के आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक ऑल ऑफ यू that we have been given an opportunity to come also to ADC, which is one of our green areas, and we should preserve it and make it even better. Thank you.